Stomach 3. Imagine you've got a line coming right down the center of the pupils, and underneath the cheekbone, right in line with the pupils, you will find stomach 3. So what we do is we don't press so that we end up with bruises. We press and we just lean the face forwards until we feel a resistance. And once you feel that resistance, we just allow the point to open and soften like a flower. Stomach 3 massage. Press and hold. Now the thing with this is to do it every day. So stomach 3 underneath. Ooh, that feels so good.